So today we're going to have a look and see how we get a great little graph like this on Excel. Very, very easy to do. Even an absolute beginner could do it. All the details coming up shortly.
Don't forget to like this video, share it and subscribe to my channel. Doing these three things help us make more great videos for you.
So as I say, today we're going to show you a quick and very easy way how you can get a great looking graph similar to this on Excel. So what I've done here is I've basically typed in details of the percentage of users that use particular operating systems that are around at the moment. So as you can see, we've got Windows, Android, iOS, Mac OS, Chrome OS, Linux and other systems which don't quite fall into any of those categories. And as you can see there, we've got a nice little representative graph just over there on the right. And if I change any of the figures on there, say for instance other, we wanted to increase that to say 35%, as you can see straight away the actual bar chart for other goes through the roof, and we can obviously reduce other percentages there as well and get them to reduce. So let's just pop that back, so 3%, and get it back to what it was. There we go. So how do we create this graph? Well, very, very easy. So what we need to do is we need to highlight what we want to include in the graph. So move your mouse to the top left of where you want to start, hold down the left mouse button and just keep it held down and drag it down and across to the figures and the words that you want to include in the graph. So as you can see there, I'm including operating system and percentage of users. So let go once you've highlighted what you want to put in there. Go up to insert at the top and then find this little symbol here. This is column or bar chart, and all you got to do is click on the little arrow just to the right of column or bar chart, and down the bottom there you go, you've got 3D bar. So if we click that there, and as you can see there is a simple bar chart. Now let's just click on that particular bar chart, and as you can see up here, now we've clicked on that, we've got different styles of that particular bar chart. So as I'm clicking on these or moving my mouse over them, as you can see, they are actually changing, and we can go further down. If I click on the arrows there you go, there's some more bar charts there. So you can go through and have a look and see what one suits your particular presentation the best. And then once you've found it, just left click once on it, and there you go. You have got the ability to change it once you've left clicked on it. So don't worry if you've left clicked on it, you think, oh, I want to change it now. Just click on another style. Now, what if you want to delete the bar graph and start again? We'll just click on it and make sure you've got dots all the way around the outside. That's a left click, and then press the delete button on your keyboard, and then that should disappear. If it doesn't disappear, then what we want to do is we just want to right click anywhere over the bar graph and then left click delete. If it still doesn't delete, then double left click anywhere on the bar graph and then press the delete button on your keyboard, and then hopefully it should then disappear. But what if you want to explore different types of graphs? Then again, highlight the data that you want to include and then click on insert just up there, and then click on recommended charts. And there's a few other recommended charts there, pie charts, bar graphs, or if none of them suit, then just go up to all charts there, and then you've got more of a selection in there, all the different graphs that you could think of. An Excel column, line graph, pie chart, bar graph, area, XY, a map. You've got all these different types of graphs that you can use to make your presentation look that much better. So let's just do a pie chart. There you go. And that shows us there a great representation that Android has the most number of users, and it looks like poor old Linux has the least number of users. I don't know why it's got the least number of users. Everybody keeps banging on in the comments to say how great Linux is. So there you go. That is a great little quick and easy guide for anybody to be able to create bar charts or pie charts in Excel, very, very easy. And as I say in here, like I say, you can go to different styles once you've selected a type of chart and really make it look a great little presentation. So there you go. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, consider hitting that thanks button and making a donation to this channel. Or if you want to have a look through my Amazon store, or you're looking for a Fire TV stick, a Fire TV cube, or Fire Stick accessories, or even looking at buying or subscribing to a VPN, there's loads of great links down there for you. Donating, buying, or subscribing through these links really does help support this channel. It helps me to be able to dedicate more time to spend researching and bringing you these videos. And don't forget, whilst you're at my YouTube channel, why not stick around? I've got thousands of other videos for you right here, right now, covering all sorts of subjects. Hopefully whilst you're here, you're going to find something to educate you, entertain you, amuse you, and maybe even save you some time and money. And also, if you do see any videos here that you think your friends, your relatives, or your work colleagues might like to look at or might be interested in, then please don't forget to share it on your social media timelines. Thanks very much for watching.